हेलो, हम आ गए हैं मनाली हमटा पास ट्रैक के लिए। हमारी ट्रैक कल शुरू होने वाली है, तो अभी हम लंच टाइम पे आए हैं, तो हम यहाँ खाना खाने वाले हैं। बहुत ही प्रिटी जगह है। द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस इज पिज़्ज़ा ऑलिव। आई शो यू इनसाइड, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। राइट नाउ इट्स जस्ट अस। हाउ एस्थेटिक। You can also see the oven. Everything is very clean. Look at the cheese. These are my friends with whom we are gonna go to the trek. Harsh, Raj, Vidula. ये आप देख सकते हो, ये एप्पल के ट्रीज, कितने अच्छे अच्छे एप्पल्स लगे हुए हैं, कितने सारे। रुको, वो साइड तो देखो, और भी ज़्यादा है। ये देखो, ये है हमारा खाना, पिज़्ज़ा और सैलेड।
क्या प्लान है?
पास्ता कैसा है?
अरे कहाँ है तू?
अब से एग्जैक्ट 24 आवर्स के बाद हम हमारे ट्रैक के लिए निकलने वाले हैं। तो आज का इंटेंशन तो यही है कि जितना हो सके आराम कर ले। वी हैव मेड 2 friends here. We are playing pool with them and we are at the dinner table.
Not even close. Not even.
It's these 2 guys from Hawaii versus me and my brother. The guys that we met, Kurt and Don, वो ये टुक टुक में आए हैं, और वो लेह से मनाली तक ये टुक टुक में आए हैं। This is everything that I am taking for the trek. This is my lunch box. This has all the toiletries. All the electronics are placed in these bags. These are my sunglasses. I have some protein bars and chocolates in this. This has my socks and other woolen accessories that I'll need, like my cap. This has all my upper garments, my lower garments, and a raincoat. That's it. And that is the view that I have. How amazing. These are all the equipments that I got on rent. These are my shoes. This is my trek bag, fleece cap, gloves, rain poncho, walking stick, and a jacket. Ready to go. सभी लोग आ गए हैं रेस्टोरेंट में, जहाँ पर से हम सब साथ में निकलने वाले हैं। अभी हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट सारे कलेक्ट किए और बीपी भी चेक किया। Everything looks good. We'll have lunch and then we'll move on.
Okay, so we'll start with the itinerary part. Okay, everyone know how this trek is of how many days?
So we are done with our briefing. Now we are loading all our bags on this van and soon we'll move. Yes. We have reached the point from where we are going to start our trek. You can see all our bags are getting offloaded. These are all the guys who will trek with us. I think those are the mules who will be taking the bags for offloading, and that is a hydropower plant. How amazing. Let me show you something more cool. Check this out. Majestic. What a grand view of mountains. It kind of humbles you, but what an experience. Truly mesmerizing.
यहाँ पे बैग में there are so many जैसे कि स्ट्रैप वगैरह दे रखा है, ठीक है। जैसे कि डायरेक्टली यहाँ से ये कंधे पे डाल दिया, ऐसा नहीं करना है, ठीक है। कई बार क्या होता है ना, ये शोल्डर हमारा बहुत डेलिकेट होता है, डिस्लोकेट इजीली हो जाता है, ठीक है। यहाँ से लिफ्ट करो तो योर थाई लाइक दिस, ठीक है। उसके बाद आराम से बैग पे लेके आओ, ओके। इसको टाइट करना है, अभी ये नहीं हिल रहा है। आफ्टर दैट वॉइस स्ट्रैप इम्पोर्टेंट, टाइट करना है, ठीक है। ये हमेशा यहाँ पे एक बोन होता है ना पैल्विक बोन, इसके ऊपर होना चाहिए। लोड 80% लोड यहाँ पे आना चाहिए बैक का।
पहले आपको चीड़ के पेड़ मिलेंगे, उसके पत्ते लंबे होते हैं। उसके ऊपर आएंगे देवदार मिलेगा, देवदार के बाद मिलता है ये मुझको रोही होता है, उसमें बोलते हैं। ये अलग वैरायटी होती है, ये ज़्यादा हाइट पे होती है। फिर हाइट पे बोलमेंट होगा, आपका मेपल ट्री होगा। और जब ये खत्म हो जाएगा ना, लास्ट में आपको भोजपत्र नाम सुना आपने? भोजपत्र, जिसमें हम पुराने टाइम में लिखते भी थे। वो होता है सबसे लास्ट ट्री लाइन, उसकी होती है भोजपत्र की। मैं पहले पीछे वाला मैप। So, 1 2 3  4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 मैं पूछने अपने
तो मैडो को क्या है यहाँ पर क्या बोलते हैं, थाच बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, थाच बोलते हैं ना। और ऐसी अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में अलग अलग नेम से जानते हैं ना। उत्तराखंड में बुग्याल बोलते हैं, तो अलग बहुत सारे ट्रैक्स हैं बुग्याल वाले हैं ना। इस ट्रैक में बस इतना सा ही फॉरेस्ट सेक्शन है, छोटा सा ही है ना। 5 मिनट में हम यहाँ से इसको यहाँ से क्या आगे मूव करेंगे, फिर फॉरेस्ट नहीं है कहीं भी। तो यहाँ पर जितना भी है हमको दिख रहा है, इसमें क्या है, मेपल है ना, बाकी पाइन है, वॉलनट है ना, ओक है, गोल्डन ओक है, देवदार है, ये कुछ ट्रीज़ है यहाँ पर। ओके,
There are so many mules over here. There's one up there. I think that is what gave us the idea of unicorns. Just put a horn to it so that it looks magical. Something beyond what the earth has. But I think the earth has enough magical things. Look at him. Hey baby. After every 20-25 minute hike, we are taking some snack breaks and hydration breaks, which are mandatory by our trip leader. He says that it is important for getting acclimatized to this environment, and he has also told us not to wear anything in the ears. Like, people tend to wear caps or their mufflers right over here, but he says that you need to adjust the outside atmospheric pressure to the inside pressure. So I think I trust him, and I'll do that as well, even though I'm feeling a little bit of pain in the ear, but it's good. So far so good. Look at the view, how amazing. And we are also making new friends. That's the best part. After passing the mules, now we are here with the sheeps. We have got one Baba black sheep and one Mary. Mary is a little lamb. Or is this Dolly the sheep? Hello. हाथ लगाओ, हाथ लगाओ, नहीं चाहिए. Okay, shy sheep. भाई ये कितना अच्छा सीनरी है, जहाँ पर इतनी सारी शीप्स और हम उनके बीच से जा रहे हैं. वाओ वाओ, ऐसे ही सपने होते हैं. हेलो. अरे यार सारे शाय हैं. I found this very weird plant. It has red berries. I don't even know if I should touch it or not, but as amateur as I am in plants, these look very beautiful. Very small, and it is kind of camouflaged, like hidden in the midst of the nature, but amazing. For all the Maharashtrians out there, look what I found. शेपूची भाजी. शेपूची भाजी नहीं है ये, पर very similar to शेपू. यार वो बादल देखो ना, बस एक अकेला बादल इस वैली के बीच में. Our trek leader just taught us how to tie our laces, so since I need to tie it now, I'll show you guys how to do it. So this is your shoe, and these, until here your laces are tied, and you just pull them, put one loop and then put one more loop so that it stays as is. Tighten it, and through this eyelid put one side of the lace in, and then crisscross to the other side. Same with the other one, put one from here, crisscross, and now all you need to do is tie a butterfly knot. Again 2 loops, tighten it, and then the butterfly shape, and that, there you go, you have your shoes tied in. Just put your lace inside I'll also recommend to have socks full length and not ankle length. I am getting some discomfort because of ankle length socks. So Gen Zs, you're going good. Full length socks are good for the trek. We have reached our campsite now. So today's day comes to an end with respect to all the walking that we did. I'll show you our campsite. We have all the tents with Trek the Himalayas logo printed on it. To be honest, it was only a little tiring, not too extreme, but considering it was our first day and we had to climb only for around 2.5 hours, it was good, not too bad. I think everybody, even the people who said that they didn't come prepared, they didn't train anything, they all seem to be fine. Nobody is gasping for air. Everybody seems okay.
This is our dying tent. Okay, and the type of this tent is A shape or alpha tent. Okay, so this is A shape or
Alpha tent.
Okay. So that yellow tarpaulin, okay, that is our kitchen tent. Okay, again A shape or
Alpha tent.
Okay. And kitchen is out of bound for you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Behind you, see those red tents, small tents. Okay, those are our living tent. Okay, and the type is dome tent. Okay, these are dome tent.
Dome tent,
Yeah,
alright.
and down there, see, one toilet tent is already filled, and they will pitch one more. Okay, so those are our toilet tents. Okay, both sides there is a water point. Okay, there on the right hand as well as on the left side. Okay, important to how to use tent properly. Okay, if you are not using it properly, then it might be some tear and wear and tear हो जाएगा. फिर आप कैसे next camp कैसे हम survive करेंगे. Okay, so this is our dome tent. Okay, and it has 2 layers. So this red one is rain fly. Okay, rain fly or outer, and there is one more layer that is yellow and black in color, and that is outer. Okay, and it has 5 sticks. See, 2, 4 and 1 in the back side. Okay, so 5 sticks, and the number of sticks varies from 10 to 10. See, there is a gap between outer and inner. Okay, there's a gap. This area. So this area is called vestibule. Okay, you can keep your shoes. Okay, your track poles, any sharp object, just keep here.
Okay.
Okay, it's completely safe. Inside, है ना, ऐसा करके, and then just close it. अगर ऐसा नहीं करेंगे, so see, this thing comes under the chain, है ना, so फिर problem होती है, it is stuck sometime. Okay, use this hood. Okay, इतना खोलना है, इतना, ठीक है. Okay, and one more thing, see, this hood is quite big for me, है ना, ये बहुत बड़ा है, इतना बड़ी खोपड़ी तो नहीं मेरी, है ना. So while sleeping, wear woolen cap. Okay, फिर ये hood इधर भी किधर भी जाए, है ना, doesn't matter. Clear? Okay.
Entry sanitizer.
We are now inside our dining tent, and the trek leader, he will be taking our vitals now.
ये हम हैं, ये हमारे दोस्त हैं, और हम SPO2 माप रहे हैं.
SPO2 check कर रहे हैं. Now it's my turn to check my SPO2. Let's see.
ये नरस
96. Good morning. So yesterday night after having dinner, we slept at around 9:30 or 10, and now it's 6 o'clock. So we are packing our sleeping bags into this kind of a bag so that it's compact, and we have to move everything out in next like 5-10 minutes to have. So that's the view at 6 a.m. I have come here to wash my face, and this water is so cold. I cannot tell you how cold it is. तो अभी थोड़ी हिम्मत जुटा के फेस वॉश करते हैं. crazy.
Refreshments.
Done.
And now in this 5-10 minutes your lunch box will also come. Okay, so take your lunch boxes and then we'll move. Okay, so today's trail is a bit difficult. It's full of boulders. Okay, rock is everywhere.
We had given our lunch boxes yesterday, so they have packed it and given to us. So maybe on the trail, by the time it's 12:30, we'll have our lunch from these bags. This is mine. This is Harsh's. Cool. We are now encroaching another trekker's camp settlement. You can check this out. This totally feels like a Game of Thrones set. ऐसा लग रहा है वो वाला जो पहाड़ है उसके पीछे से आएगा ड्रैगन. ये देखो, in the middle of nowhere मैगी आ गई है. So one thing that is helping me a lot throughout this trek to have stable stamina. By stable I mean ऐसे सांस ज़्यादा फूल नहीं रही है कितना भी टाइम चल लूँ. तो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग वेरी स्मॉल स्टेप्स लाइक दिस. कितना हाइट भी आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स और धीरे धीरे चलते रहना. पता भी नहीं चलता है 15-20 मिनट में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर लिया. एंड इट इज़ वर्किंग वेरी वेल. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू क्रॉस दिस स्ट्रीम व्हिच इज़ अमेजिंग. It has started raining and we need to wear our poncho. So let's do it quick. Don't want to get wet.
Fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to get $1.
I have my poncho on. यार बस 2 मिनट पहले तक पूरा आसमान एकदम साफ़ सुथरा था और अभी हम अचानक बादलों के बीच आ गए. ये पूरी वैली क्लाउड से भर गई. Because the wind is so fast, we all have kneeled down just to protect our legs from the rain. You can see the mules are coming in now. Nothing is helping. The poncho is only of little help. It is raining so much that our trek leaders have told us that if it continues to rain this much, we will discontinue our trek, which is disappointing but also necessary, and I'm okay with that because I'll come again. I'll come again to finish it. I'm a sheep. Because it was raining so much and all our equipments like the sleeping bag, tent and all the kitchen items that we had, it all got wet. So our trek leaders suggested it's better that we discontinue our trek and head back to Manali. It's okay, this is how mountains are, unpredictable. It started raining too much, and although we were prepared for it, but while we were packing our camp, it started raining, so you just cannot do much in that scenario. So, but it's okay. I think they have told us that in next 5 years, whenever we plan Hamta Pass, we can do it. They won't charge us for it, which is good.
Our trek got cancelled because of heavy rains, and most of us, majority of the group, decided that we don't want to go ahead.
Yeah, so it was also a conscious decision by everyone, which is fine. We trekked for 2 days, saw this beautiful valley, stayed here for a night, and it was amazing. So if we would have finished our Hamta Pass trek, this would have been our final campsite. This is Chhatru. So after coming back to Manali yesterday, our trekking group, they said that they will take us to Chandratal as it was in the itinerary. So we just came by road, otherwise we would have come here, and from here we would have gone to Chandratal. We are happy. In the middle of nowhere, this is a very nice dhaba, I must say, because because it is so warm inside. From the top, it looks so organized, but that's the only thing present here. Rest, it's a no man's land. Very difficult to survive, but very wonderful to experience. Most recommended if you don't have any nakras or you like to challenge yourself for difficult things. देखो कुछ भी नहीं है, बस घास. You are basically in a place where you will see all different forms of rock, in the form of soil, in the form of solid state, sedimentary and stuff, each and every form. Let me show you guys the first view of the most beautiful Chandratal lake. I came running all the way from where we parked our car. थोड़ी सांस फूल रही है क्योंकि अभी ऑल्टीट्यूड अचानक से बहुत ज़्यादा गेन किया ना आज तो, लेकिन ये देख के जितनी खुशी हो रही है वो खुशी वो रेस्टलेसनेस के बियॉन्ड है, तो काफ़ी अच्छी फीलिंग है. हर एक चीज़ लाइक जिस तरीके से अनटच्ड है ये जगह, और ये जो छोटी मोटी वेजिटेशन है शोज़ की लाइफ विल फाइंड इट्स वे इवन इन द मोस्ट रिमोट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इट जस्ट humbles your mind and even broadens it at the same time. I think that is what travel is, and it's the reason why everybody just suggests that irrespective of what you do, how much ever you earn, more or less, always find a way to travel. I had come here last time. मैं जब स्पीति आया था तब I wanted to come here, but तब चंद्रताल लेक was closed. So this was my second attempt. ये भी कैंसिल ही होने वाला था क्योंकि हमारा हमटा पास ट्रैक we had to come back right from the time when we had to summit. तो थोड़ा upsetting था, but I'm okay क्योंकि this is what mountains are. It is not for everybody. मेरे अलावा I cannot hear anything. Like it's just nature. Like even my voice is polluting everything. I'll just be quiet and spend some time with myself. Bye. ये देख रहे हो आप, इसको बोलते हैं कड़ू। इससे खांसी जुकाम बलगम अगर कुछ भी हो तो वो गले से उतर जाता है, मतलब निकल जाता है। तो ये हमटा पास में मिलता है और अभी हमारे ट्रैक लीडर ने ये हमें दिया जस्ट टू ट्राई। मुझे तो आई एम फाइन बट आई जस्ट ट्राई इट। कड़वा है ये पर ठीक है। We were just going back from Chandratal to Manali and we found a herd of yaks. I hope it's called herd, but look how grand these creatures are. Like, this is me and that's a yak. Hello, are you shy? Every animal I have encountered here is shy. Shy. Let's see different colors of yaks. Hello. Oh my god, you are huge. Oh, sorry, I will not encroach. Look at them, there are so many. Oh भाई साहब, ठीक है हम दूर रहेंगे, ठीक है। ये सारे वाइल्ड है, डोमेस्टिकेटेड नहीं है? नहीं डोमेस्टिकेटेड ही है ना। We are getting ready for our bike ride to Sisu from Manali. Atal Tunnel भी आएगा बीच में, तो we are very excited. Yo ma'am, are you ready for the ride today? So these are our two bikes, two Royal Enfield Himalayans, and we are going from Manali to Sisu. We are late by the way, but it's okay. Anyways, this was not a part of our itinerary.
We are here at the petrol pump. हम लोग 500 रुपये का पेट्रोल भरवा रहे हैं ताकि जब हम गाड़ी वापस दे तब 1 रुपये का भी पेट्रोल ना बचे। Very nice. Wonderful start. Wonderful start to our bike ride.
We have now reached Sisu and right now we are in the Sisu cafe. It is very beautiful. I'll show you. Look at this. They are like the only cars parked outside are two, like there's one Thar, there's one Jimny, and there are two Royal Enfield Himalayans. Well, this is the place I vibe with. Look at this. These glass windows with a view of Himalayas. Just perfect. By the way, I would like to tell you something about my shirt. So this shirt is also made by Royal Enfield, and it has the map of the Himalayas. You can check it out. There's Shimla over here. There's Rohtak over here. There's Palampur here. So it has everything. Like if I get lost, I have offline Google Maps with me.